Most beginners on FeetFinder upload one random pic, wait, and then they get frustrated when no sales happen. If that's been you, don't worry, I've got you covered. And here's why I'm making this video. We have heard from so many of our viewers asking for specifically this: content on how FeetFinder works, FeetFinder tips for beginners, and how to sell feet pics for money in 2025. So today, that's exactly what I'm delivering. I'll walk you step by step on how FeetFinder works, what kind of content that buyers are searching for, how to create content that actually sells, and how to explore the FeetFinder homepage for inspiration. By the end, you'll even see a tool that helps you determine how much your content is worth. FeetFinder is a safe online marketplace for buying and selling feet pics and videos. You sign up, create your profile, and you add details that buyers are looking for, like shoe size, polish color, or themes you're offering. When you upload photos or short clips, buyers can find you by using filters. If they like your content, they purchase securely and you get paid. Here's a quick tip: spend a few minutes browsing the FeetFinder homepage. You'll see verified seller profiles, trending content, and popular categories. Even free feet pics and all the member features available. It's like a built-in roadmap of what's working on the platform right now, and it can give you instant ideas for your own profile. Now let's talk about the content that attracts buyers. You don't need expensive cameras, just your phone and good light. But the difference between content that sells and content that doesn't is understanding what buyers want. Here are 3 proven content styles: angle shots, soles, arches, toes, side views. Each buyer has a favorite feature, so variety matters. Everyday settings like casual vibes, like feet on the couch, sliding into sneakers, or barefoot with a coffee. These work because they feel natural and relatable. And action clips, short videos of movement, slipping off socks, flexing toes, walking across the rug. Motion adds personality and it keeps buyers engaged. Here are 4 beginner tips that instantly make your content feel more professional. Shoot in bright natural light, keep your background simple so your feet stand out. Mix it up: barefoot, socks, sneakers, heels. Post consistently. Regular uploads make your content more visible to buyers. Remember, sales don't come instantly. Every successful creator started from zero. The difference? They kept posting until that first sale came through. Before you start uploading, definitely explore the FeetFinder homepage. You'll find verified seller profiles that you can learn from, popular content and categories that show what buyers are searching for, free feet pics and member features to see what's possible as you grow, and a super useful tool, the FeetFinder Valuation tool. It's designed to estimate the value of your content and help you decide how to price yourself fairly. This tool is a game changer for beginners because it helps take the guesswork out of pricing. So now you know how FeetFinder works, what buyers are looking for, the beginner tips that make your gallery stand out, and how to use the homepage as your personal guide. If you're ready, head on over to feetfinder.com, set up your profile, and post your first piece of content today. And before you go, don't forget to check out the FeetFinder Valuation tool. It's one of the smartest ways to understand your earning potential. I'll dive deeper into that tool in another video, so make sure you subscribe and keep watching to maximize your results in 2025.